Hello friend, welcome back. I'm Aashish and you are watching Technology for You. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a temporary RAM for your PC when you are playing games, high quality games, and editing some videos or Photoshop. Your computer get hanged, and then you used to increase your RAM for buying RAM in from the market. So this is so expensive nowadays. Then in this video I'm going to show you how to make a temporary RAM by using your uh, pen drive. So let's start. First of all, you need to go on this PC and put your pen drive. Your pen drive must be uh, 4 GB, 8 GB, or you know increasing in order of 4 GB, or minimum 4 GB, or minimum 4 GB you need to put. Then you need to format your pen drive first. I have already formatted, but if you don't know how to format, click on right and click on format, then start and OK. OK, close, and you can see here is no folder, and click on right again and go on properties and click on ready boost. It will take some time, and here you can see the speed of your system by utilizing the available on this device. In some cases this will not show you when you put your pen drive in your PC. Then I'm also show you how to get help from this. Then click here and search CMD and click here and search CMD and run as administrator, and click here, enter here SERVICES services.msc and hit enter. After that you'll see the new windows. Then and search here superfets. You can see here superfet, and you can click on right and go on properties, and you must start of type, you must be clear automatic. I have already, so apply and OK. And here you can see start stop. Then it will take some time. So I'm going to make my pen drive as RAM and go on ready boost and click on use this device, and 09 4 GB equal to 1 GB equal to 1024 MB. If you don't know most about it, I'm going to open calculator. Yeah, calculator 1024 into 4 GB. You can make like as RAM. I'm making 4 GB RAM, so 4096, yes, 4096. This is, and apply, it will take some time. Ready boost is configuring. Okay, you can see here our devices as RAM. You can see here ready boost. This is ready boost. You can use your pen drive when you are playing games or editing some videos, so you can use your pen drive as RAM. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.